Wide form shelf, drying rack. Adjustable legs for uneven ground. 5 diameter chimney pipe, over 10 feet total height. Wire spark arrestor. Fire grate in bottom to protect the base from overheating. Top reviews from the United States. You'll be stoked winking face. Shed if you want to get technical. I gave it a good 4-hour burn outside before installing it, and from the smell of it, that was a good idea. It takes some tending, so don't expect it to keep you warm all night. But, I was luxuriously toasty when I had it going all evening. I'm on the edge of the rainforest, so it gets both seriously damp and icy outside. Inside, with this stove on full burn, I was warm and dry. I needed to leave the stove door open to give it enough air to really burn. It easily fit what I'd call a normal-sized piece of firewood. Heck, I even crammed 2 in there to bring up the flames. I'm stoked, sorry for the pun, on this stove.